Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Gemini app language was changed accidentally. Okay, if you want to restore your original language, English language, so you can try this method. So as you can see guys, same problem I also facing. So first you need to open the Gemini app. Just you need to follow my on-screen instruction very carefully. Okay, I also can't able to read this language. So in the top right side corner here you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it. Okay, like this. Scroll down at the end. From the bottom of your options, from the last you need to select the third option, settings gear icon. Here you can get the option. Okay, so just tap on it, and here you need to select fifth option. I will mark this, so just open this option. From here you need to open the first option from this screen. Okay, like this. So it will open the language screen. As you can see guys, from here you need to select English India. Just select it and then restart your app. That's it. Now it will restart your app one time. After restarting, it will restore your original English language, as you can see guys in my screen. So this is the way to fix this problem. So that's all today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, so please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel for more useful tech tutorials.